Did you know that your brokerage uses one of the most advanced brokerage management systems available? It's called RealtySync. RealtySync provides your brokerage with many tools and features that set them apart from the competition. But in order to be a truly great brokerage, well, that takes great agents. And great agents need great tools too. Here's some good news. Your brokerage is now providing you with a tool called Agent Acces. Here's even better news. Your brokerage is picking up the entire tab. There's absolutely no cost to you. Now think of Agent Acces as your brokerage online. You'll be able to see, use, and benefit from all of the features your brokerage provides you. Download and fill out forms online, see the brokerage's information on the files that you're working on, see reminders they've set for you. You can even upload your transaction-related documents to your brokerage through Agent Acces. You'll receive a phone call or an email from your brokerage letting you know your login information. When you get there, it will look something like this. Go ahead and enter that username and password, and we'll take a look at all of the features. The home page is where you'll see much of the information that your brokerage provides. If you'd like to change your password, place your mouse over the word Settings and click Change My Password. If you ever forget your password, it can be reset from the login page. Now, one of the first things you'll see is the bulletin board. This is where you'll see the 2 most recent memos your broker posts. You'll find information on new policies and procedures, events, promotions, or anything else they want to make you aware of. Check this section for new information every time you log in. Just click on the plus or minus sign to see the entire bulletin. If you want to see bulletins that are a bit older, go to Brokerage Stuff and click Bulletins Archive. Just to the left, you'll see the to-do list. This section will be populated by dates from several different sources. Deadlines from your transactions will appear here 4 days before they're due and for 4 days after. Your broker can place reminders on here from their system. This will be handy if you have floor time or to remind you of classes or events. If you have Agent Acces Premium, you'll have the ability to add your own tasks through the calendar and contact manager. A bit further down the page, you'll see a section called Brokerage Files. This is where you can see the 10 most recent transactions your broker has you affiliated with. On the home page, you can see the status, address, city, and zip. Now let's take a closer look at one of these transactions by clicking on the View link. When the page refreshes, you'll see the transaction details from the brokerage's file. There's quite a bit of information here that was all gathered from documents you've turned in. In the top right, you'll see information about the support team. This contains contact information on everyone associated with this file. Title, lenders, inspectors, cooperating agents, everyone you may need to contact or share information with regarding this transaction. Just below, you'll see the deadlines your broker has entered. These populate to your to-do list and, if a premium agent, to your calendar. Just below that, you'll see the Contract Review section. This is the section you and your broker will probably find the most useful. As you know, when you turn in any documents, the brokerage reviews them for errors or missing information. From time to time, and hopefully not too often, they find an issue that you need to take a closer look at. When that occurs, you'll see their notes right here. The count of these notes is reflected in the red numbers on the previous homepage. Now you'll always know the status of your file. Now let's take a look at the Documents section. Agent Acces allows you to use this section to turn in transaction-related documents to your brokerage. It's fast and easy, and depending on the browser you use, nearly effortless. You'll see a blue box in the Documents section. If you use Explorer or Safari, click on the blue box to browse your computer for the PDF files you need to turn in. If you use Firefox, then you'll simply be able to drag and drop the PDFs you want to turn in. You may even be able to upload several at a time. Once uploaded, the documents will appear highlighted. This means that the brokerage has not yet reviewed them. Your broker has the ability to upload transaction-related docs as well. Those will appear just below, but they won't appear highlighted. If you want to see details about when documents were uploaded and who uploaded it, just click on the plus or minus sign next to the name. Agent Acces allows you to view uploaded documents as well. Just click on the document and your computer will download the PDF file. From here you can print, email, or just save the downloaded document. The Journal Entries section is a time and date stamped place to add any notes that you want to keep about this transaction. The broker can add notes too, and you can see each other's notes. This is the perfect place to communicate about this transaction. The 5 most recent notes appear on this page, and you can look at earlier ones by clicking the All Journals Entries link. If you want to look at previous transactions you've been involved in, place your mouse over the Brokerage Stuff heading and click on Brokerage Files. You'll be taken to a page that lists every file you've ever worked on. You can sort them by keywords such as address or city. Just type in the keyword you're looking for in the search field at the top. You can combine keywords by placing a plus sign in between them. This should allow you to get very specific and narrow your search. If you want to just organize the lists, just click on one of the headers. This will organize the list by numbers or alphabetically. Click again to reverse the order. At the bottom of the page, you'll see Export Report. You can click this to send the information to Excel, where you can manipulate it however you wish. The last section of the home page is the Brokerage Leads section. If your brokerage provides leads, they'll appear here. Clicking on View allows you to see the information your broker has collected for you. You can communicate back and forth with your brokerage through the Journal Entries section. Let's look at some of the other features you'll have under the Brokerage Stuff header. Clicking on Stats will show you up-to-the-minute statistics that include all of the expenses you've paid. You can also see other information such as inventory totals and averages, closing information such as buyers versus seller ratios, and total earnings. You can change the months you're looking at by just clicking the before month or after. Resources is an online library. Every document you would normally go into the office to pull off of your broker's shelves, you can now find here. Forms, presentations, stationery, anything at all that your brokerage makes available to you. You can click on the image to download them to your computer. Once downloaded, you can fill them out, print, send, or just save. Working with qualified professionals can make the difference between closed and canceled. Your brokerage has a list of preferred vendors that you can now access through the links page. Clicking each banner will take you directly to their website, where you can learn more about them and their services. Hopefully you can see that RealtySync's Agent Access will help you improve communications and allow you to see important information quickly and privately. This is available to you, courtesy of your brokerage, at no charge or obligation. If you'd like even more tools that can help you become more productive and efficient, you may want to learn about Agent Access Premium. With a premium subscription, you'll have all of the features of Agent Access, but now you'll be able to keep your own contact database, create drip campaigns, even have your own calendar. The contact database allows you to import your entire list of contacts. That means you're in business in just minutes. Once in your system, you can add important dates and deadlines, phone numbers, addresses, even a private journal notes section. You can add drip campaigns and single touches. With the Contact Manager, you can perform any action to a group of contacts, like sending out mass emails or assigning a drip campaign. The campaign system is a powerful yet nearly effortless way to keep in touch with your contacts. You can create touches, which can be emails, letters, cards, even reminders that you can group together in a campaign. Once created, these campaigns can be assigned to your contacts with one click. When assigned, they'll be carried out automatically on the date you set when you created the touch. The campaign system allows you to have complete control over the way you stay in touch. Constant contact is the most effective way to earn repeat business. Now staying in touch is easier than ever. If you have a marketing website that gathers leads for you, your premium version allows you to import those leads directly into this system. It can even be set up to automatically assign a campaign to them. Once set up, the system is completely automated. Now you'll be able to import and begin working on your leads with absolutely no effort. Conversion of leads is now so much closer. With our calendar, you'll be able to see all of the dates and deadlines that you need to stay on top of things. You can create appointments and reminders, see when campaign items are due. Even all of your transaction deadlines automatically are filled in. You'll never miss another important event. Agent Access Premium is available to you through your brokerage at a discounted price of $25 per month. There's no requirement that you sign up. But if you're looking for advanced tools to make your real estate business more efficient and profitable, this is a real bargain. Agent Access and Agent Access Premium are just a few more examples of how your brokerage is working towards your success.